Here's a quick one. I know you and I were very curious that why is it that whenever we discuss something with our friend on WhatsApp and immediately we enter Facebook, that very thing we discuss with our friend, Facebook starts showing that particular stuff as an advert to us. So we keep wondering, is it that while Facebook is actually spying on us, or is it that WhatsApp is actually selling our data? Then how come, or is it that that end-to-end encryption which WhatsApp claimed that our WhatsApp actually has, it doesn't have that particular features. So how are they getting our data and how come they're actually showing whatever we discuss with our friends, with our colleagues, or how come they're actually showing that particular stuff for us as an advert? So let's go back to what WhatsApp actually claimed. WhatsApp claimed that our chats are end-to-end encryption, which actually implies that even WhatsApp will never know whatever we discuss with our friends, with our family. So the main question is, if WhatsApp claims to be end-to-end encrypted, so how are they getting our data? So and what is even end-to-end encrypted encryption? End-to-end encryption actually implies that, as WhatsApp claimed earlier, whenever you send message, nobody will be able to have access to it. Even WhatsApp themselves will not be able to have access to it. So the end-to-end description on WhatsApp actually implies that whenever a message, let's assume I send message to you now. So whenever a message is being sent, that particular message, it will be converted to code. I text you, how are you doing? That particular message, it will definitely pass through some server. It will pass through some ways before it will get to the recipient. So whenever I text you an I message or I love you message or whatever message I'm testing, so that particular message we change to code whereby even if they hijack that particular message, maybe on the ongoing of it going straight to the receiver or to the recipient, the message was actually hijacked. The only thing that we definitely see is just a text or a jargons of various characters. So they will not be able to get the original or the raw text. So that is the meaning of inscription. And it will only be decoded whenever it gets to the recipient. So that is the meaning of whenever we say a message are scripted or this particular platform is using encryption. So looking at WhatsApp and also looking at what other platform is also using that same method of encryption like WhatsApp, and that social media platform that is using, or we call it a messaging platform, is Signal. Signal is also using the same encryption program like that of WhatsApp. So that is the meaning of encryption. So now, if WhatsApp claim that our chat and our message or whatever we are discussing with our friends and colleagues are actually secured, then how are they getting it? Fine, our chat are encrypted, but there are some things you should know that WhatsApp actually has access to. WhatsApp will definitely has access to the kind of version of phone you are using. They have access to your location. They have access to your operating system. And this is something we know they always make use of. That is where metadata is actually introduced. What does metadata do? It just connects some dots together. So what does it actually do? Okay, now WhatsApp, the metadata, among the information that WhatsApp actually collects, it knows who you are chatting with, it knows the duration of that particular person you are chatting with, but it doesn't know the content. So it's just actually connecting dots. Okay, it knows that I always chat with my friend within this particular time frame, and he also knows that okay, I always on location. He knows where I am, wherever I'm going. You understand my point? So that is what WhatsApp actually has access to. So how are they connecting dots? So it actually gets interest. It can actually pick some interest, maybe interest of my friend or interest of mine or whatsoever I search on Google or I even search on Jumia or I even search on Facebook. You understand? So don't forget that whenever you search something on YouTube, on Google, or you search something on Jumia, or you search something on AliExpress, you don't forget that you're actually giving that particular app, you are giving it some permission, which WhatsApp is also trying to get some information from. So if you search anything on Google, you search anything on Facebook, those are the dots that WhatsApp connects. And sometimes WhatsApp might actually use your friend information. Let's assume your friend actually search for bag. WhatsApp, the metadata or whatsoever algorithm they are using, it will assume that okay, if your friend can search for maybe a particular model of phone, you might actually have interest in it as well. It is just connecting dots. WhatsApp is not actually spying into into your chat, or is not even checking or even seeing whatever you're discussing with your friend. It is 100% encrypted. So as they claim, it is encrypted. So they are just only using metadata, and that is the metadata is just what connecting dots. Okay, this is the interest of a friend. Let's use the interest of a friend. This is what you search for. this is who you are discussing with. Okay, this is the duration of this is the duration of time you are discussing with that particular person. So those are the things that connect together to give you or whatever you are or whatever advert you are seeing on Facebook. And you should always, there's something you should always know, that it is not every time you discuss something with your friend, and when it comes to Facebook, you will definitely see that particular stuff on Facebook. It is not every time. So it is just always coincidence. Oh, why is it that when I discuss, maybe I want to get a bag with my friend, I come to Facebook, immediately boom, I can see it. Don't forget that that same bag you are discussing, you discussed with your friend, you have also searched that same bag, you have also searched it on Google, you have also searched that same bag, you have also searched it on YouTube, and you gave those apps, you gave them permissions. So the only way to avoid all this stuff is for you to what, restrict permission you are giving apps. You don't just download any app and start giving app permission. So all those permissions you are giving to those apps, it is what Facebook are actually leveraging on. It is those dots Facebook are actually doing. It is just connecting dots together. Facebook is not actually what, spying or even looking into your chat, as they claimed the chat is 100% encrypted. Nobody will have access to it except the receiver. So that is it on how Meta actually got your data and how they make use of data to give you whatever you see on Facebook as an advert. It is not through your chat. It is through you allowing some permission for some app, you enabling notification, you enabling location, and some other stuff you might be enabling. So whenever you don't, if perhaps you don't want Facebook to keep on using all those things you are enabling, then you can start restricting yourself. You can start restricting how you search on Google. You can start restricting how you search on YouTube. And there's nothing wrong with that. If what I search on YouTube, or what I search on Facebook, or what I search on Jumia, Facebook is not start showing me as an advert. There's nothing wrong with that at all. So though it is you that will actually control how Facebook will use whatever you're searching for as an advert. So that is it on this very video. Please don't forget to follow, like, at the same time don't forget to click on the share button, as that is very much important. Thank you and goodbye.